Welcome to AC Entertainment Technologies and this, the Nexo NXAMP4x1MK2. This 2U DSP controller amp is rated at 4x1300 watts and combines advanced signal processing with 4 state-of-the-art, ultra-low distortion Class D amplifiers. The perfect control solution for Nexo speaker systems. Well suited for fixed installations and touring scenarios, it's easy to set up and has a large colour touchscreen on the front panel that provides access to all main functions. The rear panel has a range of control and networking facilities. Optional Dante, Ethersound and AES cards are available. The NXAMP4X1MK2 has 24-bit 96K converters and a 64-bit signal processor. At low volumes, the sound is still pure and rich with detail. This amp achieves an incredible level of sound quality and when partnered with the Nexo speakers delivers a whole new level of audience experience.